and today I'm back and I am going to be doing Theme Thursday. So let's get started. Hi guys. So for today for Theme Thursday, I have little Haley Jane here with me, and Bun Bun's over there because we just filmed her birthday party video. She is out of that dress, by the way, because she couldn't wear that forever. Not that she was even upset about it. She didn't even protest at all. I was really shocked. But this video is not about Bun Bun, so let's get started. So this week's theme is, for Theme Thursday, what is birds or anything flying. So actually I had a bottle, and this bottle has birds. I'll show you guys it up close and check out what Bun Bun is doing, because she is making lots of noise over here. There we go. You saw her for a second. Yeah, there's some birds on this bottle. This is a Parent's Choice bottle, and I have her formula in it, so you guys can see that. And then her outfit, she has a little diaper. It doesn't have any birds on it, but it has whales on it. Then this little hat. Sorry about the noise. She is jumping on my tent walls. Oh my goodness. Kitty cat. Okay. Okay. So this is her onesie. It has a little owl on it, and I thought it's just adorable. I think it's going to be pretty big on her, actually, because she is so tiny, but hopefully not. I don't think I have a bird lovey. Oh, look guys, and she even has a matching owl lovey. She's going to be all decked out today. I'm also going to get her a little toy. This toy, as you guys can see, it's a butterfly and it flies. So yeah, that is her outfit. So let's get over there. I'm also going to grab her blanket, which was over there. Oh, I forgot to take down these decorations. That's okay. I'm sure you guys don't mind. So yeah, she's in her car seat right now. You guys saw the good side of Bun Bun and her birthday, and now you're seeing the bad side. Oh, lovely. Okay, but here is her blanket that I'm going to change her on, and then she's in her car seat and stroller right now. I just got back from a doctor's appointment with her. So, yeah. Can you guys see a little tiny face and body right there? Make sure you guys can still see without the stroller blocking. There we go. See Bun Bun right there? Yep, she's funny. Okay. So, yeah. Here she is. Where did her outfit go? Oh. Okay. So, there is her outfit, and now I'm just going to get her out of the car seat. So, she doesn't need this lovey because it doesn't match, and it's not a flying animal, so. Yeah, I know I haven't done any story of a newborn videos in a while. I kind of forgot about that. I will do one. You will probably see one for tomorrow. So yeah, or if I decide to do another one today. But actually this pacifier clip matches okay. All the colors match except the navy blue, but that's okay. We'll just use it anyway. She has her pink Soothie, which of course matches. And I'm just going to take her white gloves on. She's going to wear them anyway, but yeah. And then I'll just leave her little socks on. I'm not going to take them off. So, take her little pants off. This is a preemie onesie she has on. So, we will see how that fits, because I don't think that it's going to fit her. I hope it does, because it's really cute, but it's also really big. So, and then she's also going to be going down for her nap, for her evening nap. It is, I have no idea what time it is actually. I had my phone somewhere. I don't know where I put it. It's probably over there somewhere. I don't know. So she still has the little headband on from her little party hat crown headband on from Bun Bun's birthday video. And you guys, if you have not seen that, you will need to go watch that. And you guys, even if you don't want to see Bun Bun, if you guys want to know how to make a crown headband for your babies, I did show that. I used Leilani. She was a very good helper. Actually, she did have birds on her outfit, but I didn't want to, she doesn't have to be in this video because she's been wearing that outfit. I thought it was so cute on her that I really didn't want to take it off of her. So, yeah, I hope you guys can see and that she's not in the way. Let me move your food over here. Right there. Okay. Well, she can get her food if she wants to. So, really quickly, I'm going to change her diaper. You're so little. She's so little. Okay. So, yeah, I'm just gonna change her diaper. Okay. So, once again, I'm gonna put her in this little onesie. Oh, I still have this crown on. Oh, goodness, guys, I didn't even know I had it on. Oh, that is really funny. Okay, well, let's go ahead and get her in her onesie. Yeah, this is really big. But that's okay. It'll be cute. I have a skirt, but I didn't really want it on her. I don't know, it's over there. I could put it on her with this just to make it fit a little bit better. This does have matching pants somewhere. It also has a matching headband. Matching headband. I don't remember where it is. It'd be so cute. I wish I would have remembered that. I have no idea where it is. Oh well. She'll be okay without that. So, she's gonna wear her little bow hat. And I'm gonna put her little mittens on. And then give her her little clip. Okay, so I'm gonna put her on my lap, and I do have her, what this is her, she's eating, don't worry. It is cat food. That is left over from her, that's her birthday treat. So I'm gonna put this over her car seat, and like I was saying, what that strap was is her newborn insert. I ordered one for her. Well, yeah, I got a different one from the one where she was born and taking her home because I just didn't really like that one, so it didn't work very well for her, so yeah, it didn't work very well. I'm so happy that I had this little owl lovey because she has a little owl on her onesie. So yeah, that's perfect. So I will show you guys her, and I need to give her her bottle. Where did her bottle go? Her bottle's gone, guys. I do not see her bottle. Where did her bottle go? Seriously? Okay. I am not seeing her bottle. That was part of her outfit. Oh. I even moved it around and it was just under there. So, there There she is. I'm gonna see if I have a bib for her. Has birds on it. I don't think I do. Oh, I have a duck one, but oh, what are you doing to me? That was so random. So I have a bib that has a duck on it, but that's not an owl or any kind of, it is a bird, but still. So I'm going to show you her up close really quickly so you guys can see her and see how cute she's looking. Look at how sweet. So cute. So she has her bird bottle, just a little birdie. She has her little owl, Lovey, her little butterfly toy, her pacifier, her little outfit, her little socks, and it's coming off of her tiny feet because it's a little bit too big, even though this is a tiny sock. But yeah, I'll probably still put her in PJs tonight because this isn't a very comfortable outfit for her to sleep in tonight, but it's really cute. Her little hat. So yeah, this is Theme Thursday, and I hope you enjoyed it this week. So I actually really like this theme just because I haven't used this outfit much, and I really like this outfit. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Please click like and subscribe and share with your friends. Bye!